business legends, do you find yourself thinking or having the thoughts of, I just can't do that? Why am I always procrastinating? Why am I not good enough? How come I can never get on top of my cash flow? What's wrong with me? If only this person wasn't so critical. Any thoughts of second guessing yourself? Why can't you get to where you want to be in business? All of that self-sabotage behaviors and thought patterns and beliefs. If you would like to get past that in a really refreshing, liberating way and actually have a massive breakthrough in your life and your business, we are running a game changer program. We're going to look at why you make the decisions you do. We're going to look at your value determination. We're going to look at the principles of the universe. Then we're going to work on your stuff. We're going to look at the stuff that's in the way with you, your own thoughts, your own beliefs, your own behaviors. We're going to look at other people. Why do I have such a shocking relationship with someone else? Maybe that's your mother, maybe it's your father, maybe it's your business partner. We're going to look at that. Then we're going to do some goal setting. We're going to look at mission, your vision. We're going to spend some time on that, and we're going to do it based on your value determination. And then we're going to look at how you measure up to someone you really admire, right? So that you can get a really balanced perspective on and get charged for 2025. So if that sounds like you, if you want to get over and actually smash those limiting beliefs and clear the way to create a new 2025, I'd love to invite you along. Now, this work is amazing. I've done it on myself. I'm a DeMartini facilitator. It's his work. He's been doing this for 50 years. And the process that we take you through is beautiful. And it's so easy. Once you know how, it's great. It's actually really quite liberating. So if that sounds like you, and you want to get over yourself and all the things that are in the way and actually hit the goals that are meaningful to you, I'd love to see you then. See ya. Bye.